Hello guys, this is Mayur Shah again, right from the village Nair, and this farmland which you are seeing, the whole green land parcel is the land of wheat, the rotis, what you call in Hindi chapatis. And just to tell you, this land is owned by us, by my dad, and we have rented it out to some farmer, and he has beautifully done his job. Weeds all over, you can see they are not yet matured enough to be taken out. It's a whole 2.5 acres of land, and it takes around 3 to 5 months for the whole process, right from sowing seeds to taking it out. Amazing, yes. And this is the small canal through which water is passed. Yeah, muddy over here. Strange enough, there is no caretaker over here or even a scarecrow to protect the farm from the crows and other wild animals. Not wild exactly, to be goats and other sheep and cows coming over here for grazing. This is beautiful, lush of green, sun shining bright, giving the crops what they need. Water is available in abundance. A lot of thorns in the way. I need to be careful. And Agundu je, Papa, Agundu je, Kundu je. Okay. And as you heard, this is cornflakes, corn, makka in Hindi. And again, the same story. This land is owned by us. 2.5 acres of land in which the farmer is cultivating the crop makka. It takes usually from 4 to 5 months for them to be fully grown and taken out. My God, so many thorns over here. Okay, I'll take a leave from here. Hope you guys have enjoyed my little show. Thanks a lot again.